is Lillian, and I'm with Waterbirth Solutions. Today, I will walk you through how to attach your hose to your sink with the faucet adapter to fill up your birth pool. You're going to start by unscrewing your faucet aerator. Set that aside because you will need it later. Next, you'll attach your faucet adapter to your faucet. Lastly, you'll screw your hose onto the adapter to easily fill up your birth pool. Thank you for joining us today. Please like and subscribe and check out our next video for part 2.